Welcome. Till now we have studied about multiplication of indices with the same base. Now we are going to learn division of indices with the same base. For example, if I am taking 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. So we can write 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. So multiplication form we know 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. And here 6 into 6. See here 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are. So what is remaining? 6 into 6. That means 6 raised to 2. So we see here 6 raised to 2 means how we can write 6. 4 minus 2, that is 6 raised to 2. So if A is a non-zero rational number m rational number, okay, and m and n are positive integers and m should be greater than n, okay, m should be greater than n. Then what we got the formula? A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. This is the formula. On the basis of this we will solve the next exercise. And here again sometimes we get the value of a if we got the meaning of a raised to 0. Okay, so if a is not equal to 0, so then a raised to m by a raised to m is equal to 1. Same number divided with the same number, having the raised to also same, so you will get the value 1. Also a raised to m by a raised to m, if we are doing m minus m, we got a raised to 0. Therefore we can write a raised to 0, the value is 1. This is the important thing we should remember. So a should not be equal to 0. This a should not be equal to 0. Okay, 0 raised to m, then how we will calculate? So the meaning of a0, a raised to 0, a raised to 0 is 1. We have found how. A raised to m divided by a raised to m. So a raised to m minus m. So m minus m is 0. So value of a raised to 0 is equal to 1. And one more is there, if we get the negative. Okay, so the meaning of sometimes if we will get negative integers, okay, raised to. So how we will solve negative? So you know negative m into 1. So how we will write a raised to negative m into 1 means a raised to m divided by a raised to m. So we will get a minus m plus m, okay, by a raised to m after multiplying. Okay, a raised to negative m, and this multiplication will be added and the whole thing divided by a raised to m. So we got a is raised to 0 by a raised to m. So that means a raised to 0 means 1 and a, so what we got? 1 divided by a raised to m. Therefore we can write a raised to negative m is equal to 1, because we found the value of a raised to negative m. So what we got? A raised to negative m, that is 1 by a raised to m. We got the value. Also we know a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Therefore, a raised to negative 1, what we will write? 1 by a. A raised to negative 1, what we will write? 1 by a. Okay. Now, therefore, what we got? Therefore, a into 1 by a, we will get the value 1. Because a and a get cancelled and it is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write a into 1 by a is what? Negative a raised to negative 1. 1 by a means a raised to negative 1. That is equal to 1. So, a into a raised to negative 1, the value is 1. Therefore, we can write a raised to negative 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a multiplicative inverse of a. Thus, the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 3 is what? 3 by 5, reciprocal. Therefore, if it is given 5 by 3 raised to negative 1, it will become 3 by 5. Okay, that is reciprocal. So, a raised to negative 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a. Thus, the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. So, multiplicative inverse of 5 by 3 raised to negative 1 is 3 by 5. This is very important because we are going to solve the exercise. Okay, now again it is there. Formula we can write according to this. So, we get the rule that if a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and m is a positive integer, then a by b raised to negative m is equal to b by a raised to m. According to this, we got it. So, in this way, we can solve the exercise. So, division, how we can write? Therefore, if it is given 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 6, we know how to write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what we got? 1 by 3 into 3. So, we will write 1 by 3 raised to square. So, that means it is 3 raised to negative 2. So, therefore, we got 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 6 is equal to, base is same, so we can write 3, 4 minus 6. So, this is the formula we can use and write. So, now that also one of the important part we have to remember, that if a is a rational number and a is not equal to 0 and m and n are positive integers, then a raised to m divided by a raised to n can be written as a raised to m minus n. And this also important thing, if m is an even number, then minus 1 raised to m is equal to, it will be 1, and if m is an odd number then 1 raised to m is equal to negative. Means even the value we will get positive, and if it is odd the value will be negative. So now we will solve the practice set 8. So practice set 28, it is given. Question 1, simplify a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. So we know the formula here. We know a raised to m divided by a raised to n. We can write a raised to m minus n. So here we will write that is equal to a raised to 6 minus 4. So a raised to 6 minus 4, the value is a raised to 2. Now next one, it is given m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. So here base is common, so we will write m raised to 5 minus 8. So it will be m 5 minus 8, the value will be negative 3. Next one, it is given p divided by 3, p raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13. So we can write p raised to 3 minus 13. So answer is p 3 minus 13. So answer is negative 10. Plus minus, like this also you can remember, plus minus minus. So we subtracted, value is 10 and 13 is having negative sign, so we will write negative. Here also same thing, 5 minus 8, so you have subtracted plus minus minus, so minus 3, because the value 8 has negative sign, and we have to use this formula, a by m divided by a by n is equal a by m divided by a raised to n. That means a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. This formula we have to use. Here we can write x, base is same, so we can write 10 minus 10. So x is equal to 0. When the value x is equal to 0, the value is 1, because a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now next it is given, find the value. So here we have to find the value. So we will write that is equal to, formula we know, minus 7, base is same, so we can write 12 minus 12, that is equal to negative 7 raised to 0. But negative 7 divided by negative 7, the value will be positive. Okay. So negative number divided by negative number, you will get the positive sign. So answer is 7 raised to 0, that is value is 1, because a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So negative divided by negative, we will get the positive number. So 7 raised to 12 minus 12, it is 0. So 7 raised to 0, the value is 1, because a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Next we will do, it is 7 raised to 5 minus 3. So the value will be 7 raised to 2. So that is equal to 7 into 7. The value is 49. Therefore we can write 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3 is equal to 49. Now next it is given 4 by 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 by 5 raised to square. So we can write 4 by 5, 3 minus 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So the value will be 4 by 5, 3 minus 2, it is 1. So 4 by 5 raised to 1 is the answer, will be 4 by 5. Next fourth one, it is given 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5. So we can write 4 raised to 7 minus 5. So value is 4, 7 minus 5, the value is 2. So 4 raised to 2 means 4 square of 4. 4 into 4, that is 16. So here we got 16. So here we have completed practice set 28. Next class we will meet with the next topic. Thank you.